Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Saturday and I thought it'll be a really fun idea for us to take you through a weekend in our life in Thailand as well. Weekdays are mostly focused on work, etc. But weekends are super packed with a lot of fun activities. So yeah, I'm going to vlog the next 2 days. I hope you're excited and let's begin. So our first stop for the day is the weekend farmers market called the Jinja market, and it's a thing that everyone must do in Chiang Mai. There's a lot of local stores, shopping, a little bit of food, a lot of exciting things here. So we're quite excited to be visiting a farmers market here for the first time. Our first stop here is a very famous coffee guy who makes freshly brewed coffee, and you can get it in tiny cups. He makes you pay whatever you want for it. I mean, there isn't a fixed price. You pay whatever you want for the coffee and you pay it forward essentially. Also next to him is a lady who draws on the cups. She makes beautiful drawings and I think it's just such a beautiful gesture. A lot of people come and sit here on the ground itself on these really tiny chairs, and I'm quite excited to try the coffee. So we just got our coffee. It's medium roast, pour over coffee. Quite excited to try. It's delicious. So this is what she drew for Paritosh and me. It's the two of us and it's super cute. She drew it in like under 1 minute. Yeah, she drew it in under 1 minute and it is so cute. I'm going to keep it forever. So everything here is very nice and cute, but what I'm really liking is that the prices here are super affordable as well. These are all local businesses and mostly the people who are selling it are the ones who've created the products also. But they're all super affordable. I feel like buying everything. It's just that मैं ये लेके नहीं जा सकती India. Otherwise I would have bought everything. This is too cute. Let's now go to the food and the produce section. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm starting to get a little hungry. So we're going to go figure out what is it that we can have for breakfast. So the market was a beautiful start to the day and now it's around 11 a.m. and we've come a little outside of Chiang Mai city, just a little bit outside, to this fitness club that we've signed up for. It's called the Center of the Universe and we're here because we're taking swimming lessons. I have a crazy fear of water, but I really want to get over it because before we get to the beachy part of Thailand, I just want to be a little bit more comfortable with water. So we're taking swimming lessons here. Let's go for that. Hi friends, this is our swimming instructor, Mr. Toto. He is very kind and has been very patient with us when teaching. So today is a Sunday, the next day of our weekend, and we come for a Thai cooking class. We're super excited about learning how to make Thai food because it's one of our favorite cuisines around the world. So we're learning from locals. The first stop for us is this market. We're going to explore some of the ingredients first and then we'll head to the cooking school to start making some of the very classic Thai dishes. So from the market, we've now reached the cooking school and this place is gorgeous, you guys. It's so green and so pretty. It has like a water body in the center and the whole place is set up for all of us to cook a lot of dishes together. We have a menu that we'll be cooking today. We'll have to select a few things. I'm really looking forward to it because it's my first cooking class outside of India. Very excited. This is exactly like tulsi and they make stir fry with it. It's fine. It's not very spicy. So I have all the ingredients for my pad thai ready. This is the sauce we made. This is chicken, eggs, some noodles, and then we have all of these raw vegetables. Super excited to cook it. Guys, I made this beauty. It's tom yum soup with prawns in it. It is so delicious and it was so easy to make. So our cooking class just got over and oh my god, I cannot recommend this experience enough to all of you. If you're ever in Chiang Mai, definitely do drop by at this place. Of course, it's not sponsored, but I had the time of my life. We made some delicious food and we met some fun people as well. It was great. We also got recipe books to take away with us. So yeah, that's what we've been doing for fun over the weekends. Weekdays are usually spent working in Thailand, but weekends are super fun for us. We do a lot of these fun activities every weekend. And yeah, with that, I'm ending this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.